Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is first. Basically, we are discussing universe age. Basically, minimum age. Basically, there is 1 lakh year, right? Basically, so Earth planet got birth from this group. Basically, this group's energy. Basically, you can say that is blood cells. There, basically, blood cells is there. Basically, that I don't know, but they got basically birth. So Earth planet basically got birth. Planet that date is also there. But planet basically never ends. Here basically we can say generation at end date is basically there. Generation and date. Earth planet never ends. Planets never ends. That is the rule of the universe. Why that is rule? That basically that I also don't know. That might be some matrix issue basically. That might be some matrix issue of the planets to planets, because there might be some chain basically, and this might be the error of the universe group basically. This might be one of the error of universe group basically, that planet basically never ends. Due to Earth planet population, this basically everybody knows. And why basically that is that you will find that you will basically when you will do the detailed investigation, then basically you can find basically. And this basically everybody knows. Ayodhya Ram Mandir basically 7 days basically they have given. And this basically Earth planet target. Here previously it was like this. I removed and changed to this. That is this basically 90,000 year plus current 1 month given basically by the current human generation basically. So one of the person told that basically 1 month basically from one generation basically, that means this 90,000 year basically took how many generation basically. You can just imagine one generation means what actually. One generation means what actually. One of the person asked the question, what do you mean by one generation basically? One generation basically means previous days basically one generation was I think 90 100 years basically, 80 90 years. But nowadays one generation equal to that comes to around 70 80 हो गया. 10 exactly basically got less basically. Why? There might be some reason basically, that basically we can't say what is the reason basically. But here the main thing is one generation at that's okay basically, but the main thing basically which achievement basically done is Microsoft blood cells equal to this basically. This age basically one body can basically have. One body can have this much age basically. That is the main thing basically. The achievement done by the Earth planet human basically, not Indian human basically, Earth planet human basically. And why basically I am not telling Indian human basically, that you basically check basically why I am not telling the Indian human basically. If any person is basically telling something basically, there might be some reason basically. Without any reason basically you don't say anything. So this basically 1 month is there. Then he told that yes basically 1 month basically done. One month. So from one generation of the Earth planet, you can get 1 month only basically. That means you can say 100 year equal to 1 month basically. So this group basically, like this basically they created 90 years, 90,000 years basically. And 90,000 years basically is going to add here basically. That is here basically. So you can just imagine the person's life basically. the people basically, doctors basically who try to save the life basically, there are basically reasons basically, that is this reason basically, because you can't say the person basically who is sitting in front of you, patient, as a patient basically, who is that patient basically. So that's why basically doctor never say that basically we can't give the treatment of this person. So doctor basically always treat basically, because it might possible that basically that treatment the person has not got, in future basically that person might create problem in earth planet this 1 month only basically, it might possible. And when if basically by chance if this 1 month gets problem due to that person basically, assume basically that anybody person is basically, assume that basically any of the person basically, so this year is going to 100% going to effect. And if the year is this year going to effect, by default this year is also going to effect. And if this year will effect, then you know what is going to happen, that will be generation end only, that is the earth planet end basically. This comes to like this, how basically the human gets Nazbandi basically, how basically men Nazbandi is done basically, same way basically, that is Nazbandi of this basically, this not this basically, this data is already with them basically, this data basically, in short basically this data you can say, because this entire earth planet basically gets sent. So entire earth planet means this entire data gets flushed basically, but this data is there with universe group basically. So they are, whenever they are going to recreate the world basically, then this data they will going to update it, and whatever remaining data basically was created, that much data, and they will keep one animal basically, that is whatever animal basically which is going to be as a latest basically. So 90,000 years animal is always there, whatever things basically created from the 1 month, that animal will be the new animal basically in the earth. So one of the person asked basically, how many animals basically are there in this world basically. So whatever animal basically, that many time basically the earth planet basically generation might be ended basically, that basically might be the remembering of the ended generation basically. For example, assume that basically somebody ended my generation, just assume basically. So the person who ends my generation basically, and generation means assume basically my Nazbandi was done, everything basically they are done basically, just taking as an example basically, in really basically nothing is done, assume basically my Nazbandi has done, everything is basically done. So that group basically might be keeping something basically to remember that some creation might be done basically. So in to remember basically they will create something basically, that is 100% sure. Why? Because they always have to remember the thing basically, so that basically in future basically if they will connect to that particular person, so they will remember that thing basically, yes we have created this basically, we have created that also, so they will remember basically. So for remember basically they are going to keep like this. So universe group will, what they do, whatever remaining basically the thing basically which was created, that much data will add here basically, that is in here this area basically, and they are going to create one animal basically of remaining parts basically, and plus this basically creation part basically. So like this basically the earth planet target is basically the set it basically. So that basically happens very rare basically, but they, if they feel basically that something problem is there basically in the earth planet creation basically, then immediately they will end this process basically, immediately basically. Assume basically just taking as an example, assume basically my generation ended by some group basically, and due to my generation end basically something is going to happen in the universe basically, just taking as an example. Really basically assume that basically I am somebody else person is basically here basically, I am only talking to myself basically to the video basically, so I am taking that self my example only basically. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit more about this example basically.